Today we are going to see the latest development at OpenAI, the prototype of SearchGPT. Let us see what makes this new AI search feature particularly exciting. On July 25, 2024, OpenAI announced the prototype of SearchGPT temporarily in order to increase AI search by pairing their high-end models with real-time information directly drawn from the web. This offers an answer that is much faster and relevant, with clear and reliable sources. SearchGPT is going to revolutionize how we retrieve information online. Instead of multiple searches, you get straight answers that are up to date and have links to original sources. One of the coolest things is it's conversational in the sense that I can ask follow-up questions, and it remembers context, so kind of like talking to a knowledgeable friend. Not only this, but OpenAI is also working with publishers to make sure high-quality content is displayed. It not only benefits users, however, it helps the publishers and creators reach wider coverage. Publishers can control their appearance in SearchGPT, and OpenAI is equally interested in getting feedback from users and publishers to finesse the experience. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more such tech videos from TechWave. Thanks for watching.